Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to help you about Sensi Smart Thermostat installation and to connect it with your Wi-Fi network. Let's start the process. To start the installation process, you first need to download the Sensi Smart Thermostat app on your smartphone. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. After download, you need to install the app. Once you have downloaded the Sensi Thermostat app, then you need to create an account. After login, you are ready to install the thermostat to your wall and connect it to Wi-Fi. Tap the plus sign to add a Sensi Smart Thermostat. The app will ask you if the thermostat is already on the wall. You will either choose no, it needs to be installed, or yes, it is on the wall. On the thermostat, press menu, and then mode. The Wi-Fi icon in the upper left-hand corner will flash. Follow the step-by-step instructions in the Sensi app. The Wi-Fi connection process will be slightly different based on your device's operating system, Sensi app version, and the version of Sensi thermostat that you have. After connecting to the Sensi network, you'll enter the Sensi password, printed on the welcome guide. Then you'll connect to your Wi-Fi network. If you are facing any technical issue to connect Sensi Smart Thermostat with Wi-Fi network, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.